called the area rule. Okay, now up until this point, whenever we think of area, we think half base times the perpendicular height, right? Because these are the triangles that we are used to working with. Okay, so this is a 90-degree triangle, this is side A, this is side B, this is side C. We know that if this is a right angled triangle, then the area is simply half times the base multiplied by the perpendicular height, which is height B in this case. But then what if the triangle that we have is not a right angled triangle? Then what do we do in that situation? Because we still want to determine the area that is enclosed by that triangle, even though that triangle is not a 90-degree triangle or is not a right angled triangle. Okay, so let's talk about that. So let's say we have a triangle of this sort, one that is not a 90-degree triangle. Okay, so let's call this A, this is B, this is C, and then we'll call this side A, this side B, and this side C. Now, according to the area rule states that the area of any triangle, okay, so the area of any triangle is given by half times the product of any two sides multiplied by the sine of the angle between those two sides. Okay, what do I mean by this? I'm saying that the area of this triangle will be given by half multiplied by this side and this side, and then we will multiply that product with the sine of angle A, which is basically the angle between side C and side B. Okay, if I write this mathematically, I can say that the area is a half.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next